So I'm Mike Burns. We're in a place called Balsam Grove, North Carolina, and it's currently June of 2024. We had just started the business. We opened a small boutique down in Brevard, North Carolina. We had made a couple products to put in there as samples, and we had a guy come in and he wanted an outdoor table. And first of all, it took me a few minutes just to kind of get my head together to realize this was actually happening. What we wanted to do was actually happening. So we worked with him. We came up with a design. We made our first table. It was an outdoor table, and it went fantastic. And so that was the beginning of this journey. One of the things we work with is wood that cannot be replicated. Every piece of wood is one of a kind. And very rarely, but it does happen, people believe that you can put a certain amount of specificity in the wood that you're going to use for a project, and you can't. And we have had one or two clients that have come back to us and said, well, I wanted it to look just like blah. And I've had to explain to them it's impossible for it to look just like that. Every piece of wood is unique. Every project is unique. And so that oftentimes is very difficult to explain to some people. I think what makes us unique is that we're makers first. We're passionate about making. And my background was in software, but I was a maker in software. And this is just a different medium. And what we look for and what we enjoy is making things. So whether we're artists or not, I don't know. I think we are. But more important, we like to make stuff. And I think that's a big difference in who we are and how we hire, is just our joy of making things.